I just wanted to say that may you find love, life, passion, motivation, purpose, and most important, may you find yourself and become the person you were meant to be. Siguro ang ilan sa inyo ay nagtataka, bakit ang laki ng pinagbago ko? Bakit lalo akong nagmukhang matanda? What happened? I have been struggling for a year now to overcome procrastination and limited self-belief. I have been feeling depressed at times, sad, lonely, being distracted, very unfocused, and not very healthy. As a result, madalas absent ako sa work. Kung hindi absent, late naman. Nag-stop din ako sa pag-upload ng video dito sa YouTube. At hindi ko na nagawa ang goals and plans ko. Yes, I had dreams. But I couldn't work hard as I should to reach them. I lost my confidence, my stability, my self-love. I lost me. Hindi kasi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay lagi tayong masaya. We all have low moments and we all lose our way. Some of us remain lost forever, and some of us find our way back to the path that we were destined to travel. At isa ako sa mga nakabaligwas. So one day, nagising ako sa katotohanan. Naisip ko kung magpapatuloy ako sa ginagawa ko ay wala akong pagkukunan. I'm terrified for my future. I know I made a lot of waste things on my daily life. And I don't want to be a failure forever. I want to be back on top and in charge of my life with God. And also, I don't want to be looked down by people. I want to prove to myself that I can do something. Kaya, pinanood ko ulit ang last video ko so that I'll be back on track. In my video, you will know your reason, your purpose, and you will learn that life is so short. And everything you are stressing about will likely not matter in the end. We just have to let it go. I just have to let it go. And then, focus na on doing the things we love. A friend of mine told me that I have to follow my passion, surround myself with great people, and be grateful for the life that I have and the time that I have left and make the most out of it. Kaya naman, I find my ways na maging curious at open sa self-development. I seek to learn, to grow, and develop myself in all areas of my life. Sabi nga niya, I just need to know where I wanted to go to keep me on track. Kaya, samahan niyo ako sa aking journey to be the best version of myself. Sa mga susunod na video, aasahan ninyo na ang mga videos na i-upload ko ay kapupulutan ninyo ng aral. It's all about tips and dailies to improve our physical, mental, and spiritual health. Kaya sana supportahan ninyo ako by subscribing to this channel, mag-like, share, and comment your thoughts on our comment section. This is just the beginning for me, a new journey in my life. Now I am back on track and I will keep going. I know what I want and I know what I need to do. Kaya For those people na nasa same situation ko, don't lose hope. It's not too late. We just need to remember that if we change our thoughts, we will change our life.